Happy New Year. May the coming year be filled with love, laughter, and endless happiness for you and your loved ones. Wishing you a year of health, success, and personal growth. May this year bring you everything you desire and more. Happy New Year. Let go of the past, embrace the past, and step boldly into the future. Wishing you success in everything you do. May the new year bring you peace, joy, and prosperity. Here's to new beginnings and a year full of promise. Happy New Year. May you be surrounded with love, blessed with good health, and achieve every dream you set your heart on in the year ahead. Wishing you a year of great achievements, good health, and lasting happiness. Happy New Year. Cheers to 2025. May this year be the beginning of new and exciting things for you, filled with hope and new possibilities. Happy New Year. May your heart be filled with joy, your mind with wisdom, and your life with countless blessings. Here's to a year of growth and new adventures and achieving your greatest dreams. Wishing you a very happy new year.